Welcome to May 4th, the week in photography. Here is your overview of the week. You're watching this intro video right now. You're going to be doing an Ed puzzle. This one's under 5 minutes. This is something from MOPA. I'll show you in a moment. The assignment for this week, though, is to turn in a JPEG that is your final draft of your photo for the contest involving growing up. You're also going to submit in the comments of that JPEG, you're going to be putting your 2 to 4 sentence artist statement. You need to make sure that it's grammatically correct and it conveys exactly what you want to express for your artist statement. I'm going to show you a challenge exercise and then you'll do the exit slip. On all of these, again, the Ed puzzle is due by Thursday so that I can take attendance by Friday. If I don't have that by Thursday, then on Friday I have to mark you absent. So definitely jump on that immediately. And then as far as these other pieces that you're going to work on, it will be due by Sunday night before midnight. This week the office hours are going to be the same. So the link that I'll send out in the announcement will be the same one. For period 2, we'll be doing Monday. For period 3, will be Wednesday. Period 4 will also be on Wednesday, and then the open office hours will be on Tuesday. Now I noticed on here I have the wrong time set up for period 2. That should actually be 10 to 11. So I'll make adjustments on the graphic before I send it out to you, but I just wanted to make mention that Monday for second period is actually 10 to 11. If you're running into issues throughout the week, I would definitely recommend jump into those Zoom sessions. You do not have to stay for the entire hour. You can jump in, ask your question, and then bounce right back out. All right, let's take a look at the actual modules here. So right here, when you go to modules, you're going to scroll down until you find week 5 of 2020. Here's where the welcome video is. For the Ed puzzle this week, you want to do this is going to have an example of the MOPA contest directly from MOPA. I contacted them to try to get some more information about what kind of supports they had in place, and they had said they'd already recorded several videos. So I wanted you to watch this, and if you want to make modifications to your initial idea, I'm totally fine with that. The process of developing your photo and entering a contest doesn't have to be something you stuck with from the very beginning. This can be something that you change. So if you have a totally different idea that you think is stronger, absolutely go for that. So with this, if you cannot get the Ed puzzle to load like mine is loading, I do have this link right here. You just need to make sure that you're logged in using your student ID and password for the for school, and then that will link. And then if you have problems with that on Monday, contact me so I can help you. If you try to do this late Thursday night and you run into problems, I'm not going to be able to help you. So I want to make sure jump on this one early. Now, as far as the next piece here, let me hit on next. This, I highly, highly recommend that you read through this. These are the tips that I got directly from MOPA when I asked them about some support during this quarantine time. So they pushed out some ideas of really focusing on what it is that they're looking for. So if you read through these, and also if you check out some of these videos that they've recorded, this will really put you at an advantage to elevate your photo contest above other people's that might be entering. So this is going to be a great way for you to be able to make a strong image, but then also a really strong concept. So read through that, and if you have other questions, you can look through here on the submission website. It'll have more details. Now, as far as the work for this week, what you're going to be doing is you're going to upload your file here, and you're going to add in the comments section after you've uploaded the JPEG. There'll be a comment section, and that is where you're going to put your final artist statement. So you want to make sure that it's grammatically correct, and it's 2 to 4 sentences maximum. It cannot be longer than 4 sentences. That is the required assignment for the week. As far as the optional assignment, what I'm looking for is, for this week's challenge, using any, whether it's Photoshop, Photopea, or a collage maker that's on your phone, I want you to take pictures of at least 3 to 5 things. So the 3 to 5 pictures should be something you take pictures of. But what I want to see is, this is my COVID survival collage. So it's up to you to decide what are the 3 to 5 things that really helped you kind of survive through this quarantine time. I know for some it might be a creative way to highlight the remotes for Netflix, like remote control, or maybe it's a video game controller, or maybe it's your dog or something. So give me 3 to 5 photos that you put all together into one JPEG. So you're going to collage them together kind of like these photo grids, and you're going to turn that in. I really hope that you take this challenge on, because I think it could be a really interesting way to be able to see photos of things that really did help you. And you'll submit that one here as a single JPEG. And then the last piece that you'll work on is linking to the exit slip. So the exit slip will be a short exit slip again, like the previous one for Google Forms, just asking name, period, a couple quick questions, and that's it. So that is what the week looks like. If you go in this sequence, it will definitely make things a little bit more streamlined. And like I mentioned before, for the optional hours for Zoom, you can come in on Monday if you're in second period. It's just from 10 to 11, not 8 to 9. And then period 3 and 4 are on Wednesdays. And then the open office hour for anybody would be on Tuesday at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. If you have any questions, please contact me.